Welcome to Life in English podcast.
Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Kevin. Today we talk about pets.
I am very happy because we talk about pets.
Pets. Yes. Today we learn how to describe a pet.
Do you have a pet, Kevin?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, Max, that is a nice name. What does Max look like?
He is a small dog. He has brown fur. He has big ears.
Small and brown. Cute. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna. That is a pretty name. What color is Luna?
She is black. She has green eyes. She is very soft.
Green eyes? Wow. My dog Max has brown eyes.
So today we learn words for color, size, and body parts.
Yes. Let's start with colors. Say the color of your pet.
My cat is black. Your dog is brown. What other colors do pets have?
White, gray, orange, yellow. Some dogs are white.
And some cats are orange, like a ginger cat.
Ginger, that means orange. Very good.
Next, size. Is your pet big or small?
Max is small, but he is not very small. He is medium.
Medium. That is a good word. My cat Luna is small.
Now body parts. What body parts do pets have?
They have ears, eyes, nose, mouth, legs, tail.
Yes. And fur or hair. Dogs have fur. Cats have fur too.
Some pets have long fur. Some have short fur.
My dog Max has short fur. It is easy to clean.
Luna has short fur too, but she sheds a lot.
Haha, that is funny. Now let's talk about personality.
Yes. Is your pet friendly? Is it shy?
Max is very friendly. He likes people. He wags his tail.
Wag his tail? What does that mean?
When a dog is happy, it moves its tail from side to side. That is wag.
Ah, wag. Good word. Luna does not wag. She purrs when she is happy.
Purr. Cats make a sound like rrr when they are happy.
Exactly. So we can describe what a pet does.
For example, Max barks, he runs, he plays with a ball.
Luna sleeps a lot. She eats fish, she chases a toy mouse.
Chases. That means runs after. Good.
Now let's learn some simple sentences to describe a pet.
Sentence 1. My dog is small and brown.
Sentence 2. My cat is black and has green eyes.
Sentence 3. He is friendly. He likes to play.
Sentence 4. She sleeps on the sofa. She is very lazy.
Lazy. That means she does not want to move.
Yes, Luna is lazy. She sleeps 20 hours a day.
Wow. Max is active. He runs in the park every morning.
Okay, let's practice with a model dialogue.
Good idea. I will ask you about your pet.
And you will answer about your pet. Ready?
Ready. Go ahead, Jen.
Kevin, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
What does Max look like?
He is medium size. He has brown fur and big ears.
Is he friendly?
Yes, he is very friendly. He likes to play with other dogs.
What does he like to eat?
He likes to eat chicken and dog food. He also likes treats.
Does he sleep on your bed?
No, he sleeps in his own bed. But sometimes he sleeps on the sofa.
Nice. Now my turn. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
What does Luna look like?
She is small. She is black. She has green eyes.
Is she a friendly cat?
Yes, but only with me. She is shy with new people.
What does she like to do?
She likes to sleep on my lap. She likes to watch birds from the window.
Does she play with toys?
Yes, she loves a small red mouse toy. She carries it in her mouth.
That sounds very cute. Good dialogue.
Now let's review the key phrases.
Key phrase 1. My pet is color and size.
Example, my dog is white and big.
Key phrase 2. He, she has body part and body part.
Example, she has long ears and a short tail.
Key phrase 3. He, she is personality and personality.
Example, he is playful and friendly.
Key phrase 4. He, she likes to activity.
Example, she likes to run in the garden.
Very useful. Now let's practice more vocabulary.
We can talk about other animals, not just dogs and cats.
Some people have fish. Fish are pets too.
How can you describe a fish?
Fish are usually small. They have scales. They swim.
Scales, that is the skin of a fish. It is shiny.
Yes, you can say, my fish is orange. It has big eyes.
What about birds? Some people have birds.
Birds have feathers. They can fly. They can sing.
Feathers, fly, sing, good words.
Example, my parrot is green and yellow. He says hello.
Haha. Parrots can talk. That is amazing.
What about hamsters? Small furry sleep a lot.
Hamsters are cute. They have tiny ears. They run on a wheel.
Wheel, a round thing they run inside.
Yes, my hamster is brown and white. He runs on a wheel at night.
Now let's talk about rabbits.
Rabbits have long ears. They hop. They eat carrots.
Hop means jump with both feet. Very good.
Example, my rabbit is white. She has pink eyes. She hops in the garden.
Now let's make a longer description of one pet.
Okay, I will describe my cat Luna in more detail.
Great listeners. Listen to Jen, then we will repeat.
My cat is Luna. She's a small black cat. She has green eyes and a long tail. She's very soft. She's friendly but a little shy. She likes to sleep on the sofa. She likes to eat fish. She does not like dogs. She's my best friend.
Very nice. Now I will describe my dog Max.
Please, Kevin.
My dog is Max. He is medium size. He has brown fur and big ears. He is very playful. He likes to run in the park. He likes to chase a ball. He barks when the doorbell rings. He is friendly to everyone. I love Max.
Excellent. Now we can ask questions about the description.
Yes. For practice, listeners can answer.
First question, what color is Luna?
Answer. Luna is black.
Second question, what does Max like to do?
Answer. He likes to run and chase a ball.
Third question, is Luna friendly with strangers?
No, she is shy. She is only friendly with Jen.
Good. Now let's learn some more words for actions.
Verbs are important. For dogs, bark, wag, run, play, fetch.
For cats, purr, meow, sleep, climb, scratch.
Fetch, that means throw a ball and the dog brings it back.
Yes, scratch, that is when a cat scratches furniture.
Bad for furniture. But we love them.
Now let's talk about feelings. Pets can be happy, sad, angry.
How do you know if a dog is happy?
It wags its tail. It jumps, it licks you.
How do you know if a cat is happy?
It purrs. It rubs against your leg. It blinks slowly.
Blink slowly, that means it trusts you.
Yes. Now let's practice with adjectives for personality.
Adjectives: friendly, shy, playful, lazy, brave.
Brave, that means not afraid.
Example: my dog is brave. He barks at big dogs.
My cat is not brave. She hides when someone knocks.
Hides. Good verb. To go away so nobody sees.
We can also describe the place where the pet lives.
Yes, dog house, cat bed, fish tank, bird cage.
Tank is a glass box for fish. cage is for birds.
Example. My fish lives in a small tank.
Example. My bird lives in a big cage with toys.
Now let's do another model dialogue. This time about a different pet.
Okay, I will be a person who has a fish.
And I will be a person who asks questions.
Hello, Kevin. Do you have a pet?
No, but I want to know about your pet.
I have a fish. His name is Nemo.
Nemo, like the movie. What does Nemo look like?
He is a small orange fish. He has white stripes.
Does he have big eyes?
Yes, his eyes are big. He swims all day.
Does he live in a tank?
Yes, a small tank with a filter and a light.
What does he eat?
He eats fish food. Small flakes.
Is he friendly?
Fish are not friendly like dogs. But he is fun to watch.
I see. Good dialogue. Now let's talk about tips.
Tip 1. Use simple adjectives. Don't use many at once.
Tip 2. Use the verb have for body parts and be for color and size.
Tip 3. Use like to for activities.
Tip 4. Listen and repeat. Practice every day.
Now let's review everything we learned.
We learned colors. Black, white, brown, orange, gray.
We learned sizes. Small, medium, big, tiny.
We learned body parts. Ears, eyes, nose, tail, fur, legs.
Personality. Friendly, shy, playful, lazy, brave.
Actions. Bark, purr, wag, run, sleep, swim.
Now let's put it together in a longer conversation.
We can talk about our pets more.
Kevin, tell me more about Max.
Max is a very special dog. He is a beagle mix.
Beagle. That is a breed. What is a beagle?
Beagles are small dogs with long ears. They love to smell things.
So Max has long ears, right?
Yes, his ears are long and floppy. He is very cute.
My cat Luna is a domestic shorthair. That means no breed.
But she is still beautiful. All pets are beautiful.
Yes. Now I want to ask listeners. Do you have a pet?
What is the name of your pet? Or what pet do you want?
Tell us in the YouTube comments below.
Write in English. Use the words from today.
For example, my dog is brown and big. His name is Buddy.
Or, I want a cat. She will be white.
We will read some comments in the next episode.
So that is all for today's Life in English podcast.
Thank you for listening. This was fun.
Yes, we love talking about pets. Goodbye, Jen.
Goodbye, Kevin. Goodbye, everyone.
Remember, practice describing your pet.
Use the sentences. My pet is, he has, she likes to.
You can do it. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Wait, before we go, let's say the call to action again.
Yes, please answer in the YouTube comments below.
What is the name of your pet? Or what pet do you want?
Try to answer in English. Use the words we learned.
We will see you in the comments. Have a great day.
Bye.
That was short? No, we need more lines. Let's add more examples.
Yes, we want the script to be very long for 15 minutes.
Okay, let's talk about other animals. Horses, turtles, snakes.
Horses are big. They have a mane. They run fast.
Mane? Long hair on the neck. Good.
Turtles have a shell. They are slow.
Shell, hard cover on the back.
Snakes have no legs. They slither.
Slither, move like an S on the ground.
Some people have pet snakes. They are not fluffy.
Haha. Fluffy, soft, and furry.
Yes, snakes are not fluffy, but they are interesting.
Now, let's practice describing an imaginary pet.
Let's invent a pet. A purple rabbit with yellow eyes.
That is silly, but it is good for practice.
My imaginary pet is a purple rabbit. He has yellow eyes. He likes to eat carrots. He is very friendly. He can hop very high.
Now I describe. I have a green parrot. She has red feathers. She talks a lot. She says hello and goodbye. She likes to sit on my shoulder.
Perfect. Now let's review the grammar we use is for description.
We use has for body parts.
We use likes to for activities.
Let's do a fill-in-the-blank exercise.
I will say a sentence with a blank.
Listeners, think of the answer.
Number 1. My dog Brown is.
Number 2. He, a short tail, has.
Number 3. She to sleep on the bed. Likes.
Number 4. They very cute, are.
Great. Now let's practice more vocabulary about emotions.
Pets can be happy, sad, scared, excited.
Excite when they are very happy and jump.
Yes. Scared? When they are afraid of something.
Example. My dog is scared of thunder. Thunder is loud noise in the sky.
My cat is scared of the vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner? Machine for cleaning floor.
Yes. It is noisy. Pets don't like it.
Now let's talk about pet care. What do pets need?
Food, water, a home, love.
Also exercise for dogs. And play.
Cats need a litter box. Dogs need walks.
Litter box? Box with sand for cats to go to the bathroom.
Yes. And walks. You take the dog outside to walk.
I take Luna to the vet once a year.
Vet? Animal doctor? Good.
Now let's have a conversation about pet problems.
Maybe a pet is sick or lost.
Example. My dog is sick. He is not eating.
Answer, I'm sorry. Take him to the vet.
Another, my cat ran away. I am sad.